Hey YouTube, I'm back, and today we're going to be making a Guess My Number game similar to this, where you guess a number and it will either say too low or too high, and you try to guess what the number is until you guess it, and looks all pretty. And we're going to be learning a new concept, so I'm going to open it up, and it's actually really simple. Normally in the if statement you use equals equals, but with this you can use greater than, equal to, not equal to, less than, and I'm gonna go into detail of all this. So GTR means greater than, and I think that you can pause the video and look at this if you want. You can kind of understand what this is doing. For starters, it's choosing a number that if the number that it's choosing is greater than or equal to 101, then it's going to go back up to loop and choose another number. And the one thing you didn't learn yet is percent random percent. That's how you get a random number, not letters, but just not pure number. So you can use that to get numbers. And so down here when you're guessing, if it's greater than number, it's going to say too high. If LSS means less than. So if it's less than the number, it's going to say too low. And you can also use LEQ, which is less than or equal to, GEQ, which I used up here, greater than or equal to, NEQ, so not equal to, which can be very useful if you're checking to see if something doesn't equal another thing. And yeah, so you should understand, if you've been watching the series, everything is in here. And you can kind of really apply and make a practical use for a batch script now. So that's all for today's video. It's a nice short one to cover a big topic. That's kind of how I like doing it. And if you want, you can subscribe by clicking the button in the top right corner, and doing so will allow you to be notified whenever I put out a new video or start a new series. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next one.